This video describes the repair to a Black & Decker Space Saver coffee maker that we purchased in January the 4th of 2003. The model number on this is ODC325N. So this morning, which is December the 5th of 2017, it did not make coffee. So I took it apart and I'll show you what I found. By the way, there's only one screw in the center on the back, right here, that holds the back of the case on. And after that, there's a couple of places you can put a screwdriver on the back, start prizing, and once you get it started, it'll come right apart. But anyway, where the water container slides in this way, right, because it normally sits this way, of course, and your container slides in from the front. But when it slides in, of course, the water's got to be released to go into here. And what I found was, if you take this apart, and of course I've already taken the screws out to take this apart, but when you take this black pipe out here, within that black pipe there's a check ball that is actually in that black pipe. And in my case, it was stuck so that the water couldn't flow down into the heater, of course, and then it couldn't go back up to where it makes the coffee. So if you run into a Black & Decker Space Saver coffee maker that doesn't work, it may be as simple as this little check valve is stuck. Take it apart, clean it up real good, put it back together again, and enjoy. See you later.